Awesome. My name is Kwiri Yang, and I am really excited to introduce our MC and the track presenter, Tomy Lorsch. Tomy Lorsch is the founder of ComplexChaos.ai, and I've known Tomy for many years now, and I'm also the advisor of ComplexChaos.ai. Tomy started this company and organization out of his own passion, where a tragedy happened in his own backyard with sustainability, and people were really scrambling, figuring out how to coordinate behind the scenes. So Tomy, with his knowledge, having started a successful company before that's global and have exited, he brought his know-how on building a company and really understanding what happens in the behind the scenes for the corporates, and now he's problem solving for large enterprises, and Complex Chaos is now soon going to be represented in major global stages like the United Nations next week. With that, Tomy, kick it off.
Thank you, and good morning, everyone. Excited to have you here, and all the amazing speakers that we'll have this morning and afternoon. So Kwiri, MC here, she's the founder and CEO of Quantum AI and Second Time Founders, an amazing community of conscious leaders and founders who are working on important missions, so check out Second Time Founders. So to kickstart this track, which is called Sync, I want to give you a welcome, because today we gather at the frontier of a new kind of intelligence, one that emerges not just from machines, but from the interplay between humans and algorithms, between values and data, between systems and souls. This event is not just about AI, it's about collective intelligence. The ability of diverse groups, supported by technology, to think, to decide, and act more wisely together than any individual or machine could alone. Across disciplines, science, government, business, art, and ethics, the minds assembled here today are reimagining what it means to build intelligence at scale. Not the extractive kind of that isolates us or dominates, but one that integrates, drawing on life experiences, diverse worldviews, emerging technologies to tackle our most pressing global challenges. This is an exploration of how we shape systems that are not only smarter, but also more just, transparent, and aligned with human flourishing. What you will hear today is not speculative. These are living experiments in the co-evolution of human and machine systems, where design, governance, and culture are as important as code. From frameworks that embed ethics into infrastructure to platforms that turn disagreements into insights, we're seeing the contours of a future where intelligence is no longer centralized, but distributed, participatory, and dynamic. So collective intelligence is not a destination, it's a practice. It is asking us to slow down and listen, to challenge assumptions, to reframe problems through multiple lenses, and it requires technology that is trustworthy and people who are courageous. And it gives us the possibility for us to meet this moment, not with fear and control, but with creativity, humility, and the radical collaboration that this technology brings. So welcome to the conversation. And now handing over to Kwiri for a quick meditation as a group collective intelligence meditation.
Amazing. Well, we're going to kick off with a quick grounding to kick off our track today, and then we'll do a quick icebreaker. So I'll invite all of you to go ahead and close your eyes, and we'll ground our feet on the floor. And gently close your eyes and feel your feet on the floor, and we'll go ahead and take a deep breath in through our nose. Hold, and out through our mouth. All the way out. It's been a really wonderful long week, and this is our last day, so let's make the most out of it. Go ahead and take one more deep breath in, and hold, and out. And just gently notice any sensation that's coming up in your body. and welcome any feelings that's coming up in your heart. And gently notice and welcome any thoughts that's coming up on your mind. And we'll take one more deep breath in and out through your mouth. And when you notice your thoughts, gently guide it back to your intention for this track. And when you feel ready, gently open up your eyes and come back to the room. Wonderful. Conferences like this can be very overwhelming, and also it could be really exciting because you just never know who you're going to meet. So with that, I'm going to quickly ask you to turn to your left and turn to your right and lock eyes with your neighbor. If you don't have a neighbor, then go ahead and move your seat. And if you found your partner in a dyad, just 2 people, or if the other person's too far, then we can go into triad. And we'll do a really quick exercise. And we're not going to say anything else, just your name. And what's the 3 open source AI tool that you're using right now other than ChatGPT, Llama, Claude, and Gemini? So what are open source AI tools that you use every day? I'm just going to give mine: Cursor, Gamma, and lastly, I do use ChatGPT, but it's a wrapper. So I talk to an app called Untold every day. So with that, go ahead and introduce your name and 3 tools. And if you need some time, go ahead and just we'll take about 10 seconds. Go ahead. Awesome, go ahead and switch. And if you're on a triad, go ahead and switch. Amazing. If you learned something from your partner, go ahead and raise your hand. Did you all learn from each other? That's awesome. If you can hear me, clap once. Awesome. So that's collective intelligence, really learning from each other. And in this room, there's so much to be unlocked. And that's what we have ahead today. So we'll be learning from the rest of the amazing speakers ahead. And Tomy will be emceeing through the track. And he'll be introducing our amazing speakers lined up. Take it away, Tomy.
Thank you so much, Kitty. So our first speaker this morning is going to be James Francis. He explores what it means to build integrity into the heart of algorithms and examining how transparency, alignment, and ethics can be embedded into intelligent systems from the ground up. With over 30 years of experience in finance, media, and technology, he's a visionary leader who delivers a combination of strategic, operational, technical, and transactional expertise. As the chairman and CEO of Paradigm Asset Management, he has positioned the firm as an originator and pioneer on many fronts, creating 100% big data-driven investment strategies. He's also the co-founder of Raptor Vision, a media and entertainment company that acquires and produces media assets and technology, and the inventor of software that drives the world's first single-lens 360-degree camera. Welcome, Francis. Thank you for being here.